Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We've got ourselves another locomotive review today. It's a Class 37 with DCC Sound. This is my first factory fitted sound locomotive. Just have a look at the end of the box. It's a 32391DS Class 37-7 37796 in rail freight coal sector. The packaging is as usual, don't really need to go through that. Obviously it's already out because I needed to test it to make sure it worked before I'd done the video. last thing you want is for it to not work. 37.7, okay. First major difference is obviously the nose. It's got a different headlight configuration, so it's a completely smooth front with an outline of where like a door should be. There is I'll show you if I can. You see that outline? Two vents, two outer wide headlights, and the centre main light. In terms of chassis and engine, they're pretty much the same as a 37.4. So it's got electric drain heating instead of steam, like a 37.0. Underside detail is pretty good, as always. And you know, throughout the model, all the way along, the detailing is really good, as always on a 37 by Bachmann. Really good livery. The coal sector probably is my favourite. Do like the black diamonds, and again some more diamonds down here. The British Rail sign isn't etched. Didn't check the packaging to see if it came with an etched one, but it don't bother me too much. Still really nice. Obviously this end is the same as the other end. Fuel tanks, I think they're basically the same as all the others, apart from they didn't have two dials. It does actually tell you the capacity, but looking really good. All the grills, lovely, you know, really good detail. Same with the roof and the little antennas. Anyway, enough for looking at it. You probably looked at loads of these. Let's hear what it sounds like. Well, firstly we'll do directional lighting, which is function 0. So that's your lights, as you can see. Direction. Lovely. On this, because it's a factory fitted sound locomotive, unlike my others, you have control over the cab light, which is function 7. Right, function 5 is the priming pump, so we'll just start that. Have it on for a few seconds, and then obviously function 1 to start it. So it's obviously now started. So we'll go through the functions. So function 2 is the horn. This is playable, so you can. Well, I'll go through it. So this is first. You can have it on for as long as you want, so quickly, or just depends on how long you want that on for. This is my favourite, number 3. Number 4, that's the handbrake, brakes release. Function 5 is your priming pump. Number 6, I think, is coupling. Number 7 is the cab light. Number 8, I don't know what that is. Number 9 is your squeal. Function 10 is your spirax valve, which is like the tick and clonk and sound. Function 11 is the guard's whistle, I think, which is quite good. I think that's it. Pretty sure that's it. Well, anyway, we'll get it moving so you can hear it. But it is really good. I like it. just do the flange squeal coming across here. So we'll bring it back across the points. Sorry. Just put it on 3. Little squeal to stop. Let's bring it back. And just pushing the right buttons. Lost it somewhere. And obviously if you finish, it's just function 1 again to switch it off, which I'm now going to do in a sec. Overall, really good model. I better finish this video quickly because I'm going to run out of space. But yeah, this is my review of the Class 37.7 37796. It's brilliant. Thanks for watching. See you later.